everyone, so today's video is just going to be super chill and fairly informal, but it's going to be about my brand new Michael Kors Karlie Satchel, and this is in the color Natural. As you can see, there is leather detailing. The front and back have cloth on the exterior. It has this beautiful braided handle, which I really love. It has shiny gold hardware. And there are a couple studs here on both sides of the bag. It also has 4 feet on the bottom and it's leather lined. As for the interior of the bag, it has a magnetic closure. And I haven't fully unwrapped it yet, but it is fabric lined as well. So let me just take out the care card. And the strap is here. It comes with a crossbody strap. So I'm just going to open this. And I'll let you guys have a look. I'm going to cut the tag off because I'm keeping it. Okay, so I have the strap unwrapped, and as you can see, the clasp actually has Michael Kors engraved on it. Very similar to the clasps from Louis Vuitton. The strap is also adjustable. And what I really love about this bag is it has so many small details, yet it's such a minimal style. I don't foresee myself using the crossbody strap too much, to be honest, so I'm just going to set this aside for now, and I'll show you the interior of the bag, and then we're going to see what fits. Okay, so looking at the inside, here's a better look. It has a slip pocket here. And then if I turn it around to the other side of the bag, it has 1, 2, 3 credit card slots. A good amount of room for your everyday essentials. And yeah, you place the handle upright like so when you're carrying it. And then when you need your items, you can just move the handle back like this and place your hand here and lift up the flap. So it's a very easy to use bag, reminiscent of a Lady Dior or Louis Vuitton Capucines. That's what this bag is being compared to, but for a much more affordable price. So now let's take a look at what fits. So I have 2 bags here, and the reason for that is this is sort of a what fit slash a switch bags with me part of the video. And this is the bag that I've been using for the weekend. This is a vintage Coach bag. And I believe this is from 2009, but don't quote me on that. I've had it for a really long time. And as you can see, here are some of my essentials. So I'm going to take everything out and we'll see how much can fit inside the Michael Kors Karlie. You'd be surprised at what I can get in and out of this bag. It's crazy. I love this bag so much. I believe it's called a mini baguette. Okay, so first thing, mini pochette, hand sanitizer, perfume, my business card holder, my mirror, Airpods, and that was pretty much it. Alright, so let's start with the mini pochette. So that fits relatively easily. Then we have my business card holder. And I'm going to see if this can fit in the slip pocket. No, it can't. Oh wait, yes it can. Yay. Okay, cool. So that actually fits here, which is perfect. So if you have a card case or a very slim wallet, that can definitely fit. Then we have my Touchland hand sanitizer, mirror, perfume. It's kind of dangerous putting it like right beside the part where you press the hand sanitizer, so I'll move it over here. Airpods. And that looks pretty good. We still have a little bit of room up at the top, so let's see if my 6 key holder will fit. Yep, I think it will. And let's close it. Perfect. Alright, so as you can see, everything fits, and there is a little bit of give here, so don't worry. Even if some of your items go a little higher, you're alright. And let's look at functionality. So if you guys can visualize, if the bag is on my arm, again, you just open it like this, and you have access to everything. This works for me because I love small bags. I love top handle bags. Top handle bags are my fave. And yeah, another thing that I really love about this is it's really easy to open and close. Now I'm also going to show you where you would clasp the strap on to the bag. So here, just like that, super easy. And then on the other side, we'll just spin this around. To make sure that the weight is evenly distributed, I would put it on this part, just like that. It's a really pretty bag, you guys, and it's on sale on the Michael Kors website right now for about $131 US or $179 Canadian. So I highly recommend that you go out and at least have a look at this. This bag has not gone on sale until now, so highly recommend it. It's beautiful quality. If you look at the stitching, it's well done. The fabric feels very sturdy. And I love that there's feet on the bottom. Also, quick tip, if you want to protect the fabric, you could get a fabric spray, protectant spray, and spray it onto the bag. I did that, and I actually tested it by putting a little bit of water on here. And as you can see, no spots whatsoever. It's perfect. And that way I just have a little bit more peace of mind knowing that I can keep the cloth part clean. So this will be a perfect bag for me for spring, summer, and fall, perhaps. I definitely won't be using it in winter, but the colors are very wearable. And yeah, I thank you so much for tuning into this video. Be on the lookout because soon I'm going to be doing a best contemporary handbags video as well. So until next time, take care.
Looking my way, you know that I gotta say